Last week everyone was buying dollar, and then the structure completely flipped. If you only watch candles, then you would get trapped over there, because what happened over there, if you watch closely, everyone was buying over there, trying to buy there because previous low has been tagged and so on. And then price, what it did, it actually changed in the structure, and this is what you have to recognize. It breaks and then it gives you the structure change over there, and this is the point where you have to change your bias. This is where you have to recognize that the market is changing its direction. Once this correction is over, then we will start seeing this kind of the movement over there. So this is very important correction, because once it's completed, we will have an amazing move, and it's worth of taking it. All right. So what most traders did wrong over there was they were chasing a green or red candles. They didn't seek for confirmations, and these were emotional entries. So what does this mean? People who were watching for sell setups over there or buy setups were jumping in. All right, they were jumping in over there. Those were the emotional traders, aggressive traders. They want to buy because they were waiting for move to the upside. There was the other traders that were waiting for the candle reaction. Okay, so there were some candle reactions that they were trying to buy and grab that move to the upside. And there's the third group of traders that didn't wait for confirmation. All right, so but if you wait for confirmations, if you wait for the market to confirm the movement before you will get into the trade, you won't be in this buy, you will be in the sell. Because even if you were watching for buy over there, you didn't get the buy setup, because buy will looks like this. Okay, this is how the buy will look like, and you will take a buy over there, but the setup wasn't completed or didn't show you this kind of direction over there. Even on lower time frame, you didn't have nothing. Look at that one, there isn't any buy stop, and this is why waiting for confirmation is crucial at these spots. Market is always telling you the direction if you wait for the confirmation, if you don't wait or chase green or red candles, or if you are not entering based on your emotions. So what you have to watch instead, you have to watch for the structure shift, you have to wait for confirmation, and of course you have to be patient, because if you won't be patient, this is exactly what will happen over there. You will have a wrong directional trades. Instead of be with the market flow direction, instead of being this downside non-downside structure, which was amazing. Okay, the chart tells exactly what it will happen. First, I anticipated to go only there, but the market becomes even stronger and stronger, and it was keep on breaking. Okay, so very nice movement was over there, very nice and good movement, and we are keep selling it, right? We are keep selling it because there isn't any signs that market is changing currently right now. There isn't any sign, so I have to stay a seller. It went through the first target and to the second one very, very aggressively and fast. And that happens just because I was patient and I was reading structure perfectly, and I was waiting for the confirmation instead of jumping in. If you do remember, I was watching for the buy setup even at the top of the DXY, and then I spot the market structure shift, and then why I change my bias. I start selling it. So how you can now apply this? So what you have to wait for, what will invalidate the bias, you already learned. All right, so wait for market structure shifts. Don't jump the trade, even if you see a buy setup, even if you anticipate that the buy will happen. And if you want to buy, don't buy because you want to buy. Wait for market confirmation instead. Don't watch candles, focus on structure. Structure will tell you exactly when to buy and when to get into the trade. And of course, you always be with the flow of the market. You will never be against it. And of course, you have to watch as well what will invalidate your bias. All right, so example, if you watch for the buy and then you'll get the invalidations for this buy, you should change the bias, or even you don't trade. It's up to you. But you always have to wait for confirmation. You need to have the patience, and of course, structure shift. It's very, very, very important. If you want daily structure breakdowns and live session, Discord link is below in the description.